Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can upload your Twitch banner on the Twitch live gaming app. So Twitch banner is the graphic that is above your video feed on your channel. It is seen when someone clicks on your name, and process is very easy. First of all, you need to open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now as soon as you land on the home screen, click on the avatar icon which is on the top left corner of the screen, and here scroll down and then you will see the option with my channel. Tap on it. Now here tap on the edit profile option which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Now again tap on the profile picture option here. Now you have two options. You can take a photo or you can choose an existing photo. Tap on the option. Now I'll simply choose my photo and afterwards tap on choose. Now here tap on done. So that's how you can upload a Twitch banner on your Twitch live game streaming app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.